Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be just vlogging my day. I have a pretty productive day today. On Wednesdays I do not have any classes, so typically on a day that I don't have class, I like to, number one, get work done and run any errands that I have to do and just be as productive as possible throughout the day because I do work at night on Wednesdays. So I just wanted to bring you guys along on a productive day and just vlog any chance that I get because I love vlogging, like daily little vlogs of whatever I'm doing that day, even if it's not the most exciting, but if it's filled with productive things, then I feel like, you know, why not just show you guys what I'm up to. So right now I just did some work. I also did some reading for my criminal justice class tomorrow. And I'm just sitting here sipping on my coffee while I do that. Instead of laying on the couch and doing some work today, I decided to sit at the table and do some work. I really like the switch on and off, honestly. But it is 10:30 right now. I'm also shopping online because I want to get a new purse. So I'll show you guys what I found. So I really want a bag like this. It's called a bucket bag. This one is from Zara. And I really like it. I want one in black, like literally just like this. So I might get it soon. I'm not gonna get it right now. Just because I have other things to like pay for that are like necessities, and I'm just gonna wait a little while. But I'm just kind of like browsing to see which one I like best. They also have it in white, but I really want it in black. Whoa, the lighting needs to be adjusted. Alright, that's much better. But I like right now the bag that I have is from Aldo, and it's like a cute little purse, but for like everything that I need to bring sometimes, I feel like it kind of gets super chunky and like the zipper doesn't zip fully, or it just looks kind of like weird because it looks like I'm overstuffing it, and I don't like that. Because like when I go to work, for example, I like have my wallet, obviously, all that stuff, or when I go to hang out and I need my wallet, I need to put my keys in there. If I'm vlogging, you know, I want to put my camera in there, sometimes like a charger. So I feel like I want something that's more spacious, and instead of having like, because my bag is spacious on the bottom right now, but on the top it kind of like gets like really narrow and small, and so it's not realistic to fit a bunch of things all at once. Where this bag is really, really spacious, and on the top you just like pull the strings and it like closes. So I feel like it's really, really cute, and I really like it. I feel like it would last me a long time because I can use it for literally every day. It can make me dress up my outfit and stuff. So I don't know, this is just what I've been looking out for. So hopefully soon I can order it. It's not even that expensive, but like I said, I like to make sure I'm not just buying, and I'm really being mindful with how I'm spending my money and do what's necessities before what I want. So that's a big tip if you guys are having trouble like with spending so much money. Make sure you break it down to what's a need and what's a want, you know, because that always helps me. But I need to leave in about 10 minutes. I have some errands to run, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I'm Brianna, by the way, if you're new here. And yeah, just subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll have it pop up on the screen, and let's get started with today's vlog. Guys, I freaking love the weather out today. Today is like my typical like perfect fall weather. I'm literally so happy. And as you can see, I'm wearing a hoodie. I love hoodie season. I love just throwing on something comfy. Today right now is 64 degrees and I'm super happy. It's like the perfect, just like fresh, cool air. It's not too cold, it's not hot, and like the sun is out, so it's nice still. It's just like perfect, and it's literally my favorite ever. And I love this hoodie. I'm wearing this Champion hoodie. The color's kind of like a yellowish, like cream. I don't know if you could tell through the camera, but I'm obsessed. And I'm just wearing some leggings. Super basic, but like my favorite. But anyways, the first stop is to the auto shop. I need to get my car, my brakes checked for my car, so I'm gonna go do that first. It's 10:53, and I had called to let them know that I was going to be dropping the car off. So I'm gonna go drop the car off, and then I have other errands to run too as well. So stay tuned for all of those fun things, but I'm gonna head out now. Alright, I just got my eyebrows done really quickly. I'm gonna show you. So I got them threaded, and now I'm going into Target because I need to pick up my moisturizer. And I'm like super red, but it's time to go get my moisturizer. Alright, I just got my moisturizer. I just got the Cetaphil Daily Hydrating one with hyaluronic acid, and it's good for night because sometimes after I wash my face at night, it feels a little dry, and I needed one that doesn't have SPF, obviously, for nighttime. So I picked it up. I love looking at the aisles in cosmetics in Target. Alright guys, I just got home and my freaking package came. So you would have, I don't even think that vlog, that vlog is probably going to be up before this one. So in that vlog I mentioned that I got a new skincare product, and it came. And then I also got another skincare product that I've already used before, so it's not like it's new. But I ordered it online because it was on sale online. It's usually like $12 in store. But it was on sale from Target, and so I ordered it online yesterday for pickup today. And so I got it. And this just goes along with the, what's it called, skincare brand that I use, Cetaphil. And it's just a hydrating lotion, and it's for dry and extra dry skin, so it's good. And it's just like really hydrating, and hyaluronic acid is really good, non-comedogenic, so it doesn't like clog your pores, fragrance free, and I really like it. So I'm going to use this at night because the one that I used in the morning has SPF, so I needed something that doesn't for nighttime. And so now I'm going to do a little unboxing of my skincare products, and I like ripped off all the tape because I was ripping off the label. Alright, this tripod is like really bothering me, and it's like, I don't know, I need to fix like the bottom of it. But let's open up my package. Super cute. This is my first like Ole Henriksen product, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I wanted to try. Ooh, my battery's about to die too, so that's great. I wanted to try and use the serum because my skincare routine is super simple, and I wanted something to try, and I've heard great reviews about it. I did a lot of research on it, and they were having a sale too, so I got basically one mini one that I paid for and one mini one for free. And then I came with a packet of it too, like the Truth Serum, a sample of it in like a little packet. And then it came with these Truth on the Glow cleansing wipes, which also has vitamin C, jojoba seed oil, and it comes with a lot of it. I got it for free. I also got this Transform Plus Fat Glow facial like face mask type of thing, I think, a free sample. And then I got a hand cream, Force of Nurture Intensive Hand Cream. So these are all really cute, and I basically paid $12 for it. For all of these little mini things, I paid $12. And like, it's so crazy how much I got for that price. So I'm really excited. So this is basically what everything looks like, an overview of everything. I'm actually going to take it out of the packaging and then show you, but real quick I'll just show you like the ingredients or what it says on the front. So it's Truth Serum, collagen boosted with True C complex. And like I said, I did a lot of research, so I watched a lady talk about each ingredient inside of it and what their benefits are, so that's mainly why I got it. And it's supposed to tighten, firm your skin, helps with aging, wrinkles. It's never, like, you're never too young to start with that type of stuff. And it also like brightens gives you a lot of hydration. It's good for all skin types, and a lot of people say like it makes their skin super bright, and like their complexion you know, helps with texture, it helps with overall dullness and hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if it works. I just wanted to show you guys my eyebrows more now that I have time, because I was kind of in a rush getting out the car to go to Target. But yeah, these are my brows. They look super good. She did a good job. I never went to that lady before because there's obviously like different people, but she did a good job. And I do threading, like I said. I love threading. And that's my brows. So now that I have all my products, my battery's gonna die. Now that I have all my products, I need to like clean up, because I'll show you guys, but in my room, on top of like where our TV is, we have like, it's like a flat surface from like the TV unit, and so I have like my section and my sister has her section, and it's just like a mess. I have so many like products, some of the stuff that I don't even use anymore, and I need to just clean it out. And since I have like these new little stuff, I want them to have a place to go. So I'm going to do that now, I think, and you guys can watch me clean, because I love watching like cleaning videos of like montages. It makes me feel productive, and I mean, it makes me like motivated to be productive. So why not show you guys a little montage of me cleaning and getting organized, because this has been such a productive vlog already. Here I just put all the products that I'm currently not using. This will go like under the sink where I had this bag anyways. And then I had this old skincare in here that I tried out and I didn't like it or use it, so I put all of my goodies in here. Sorry, I have all of that in here, and it's gonna go in the bathroom, so I'm gonna go put that in there now. So in here I have some products that I use, like my heat protectant, some like micellar water, and like this blowout cream. So I'm gonna leave this in here, and I just dropped something, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it in here, and that's that. Alright guys, I'm about to go get dressed and go to work, so I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did a lot today. It was very successful and productive, just like I wanted it to be. So give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.